Romantic tension, the enticing world of romantic suspense. Master everything you need to know right here in this one video. We have gathered the most critical facts, real examples, and expert insights together so you get complete clarity and confidence starting right now. Romantic suspense combines the thrill of mystery and danger with the emotional depth of romance. Originating in the mid 20th century, this genre has evolved to include tales of intrigue, espionage, and crime, all while weaving in romantic elements that enhance the tension and stakes. Romantic suspense captivates readers by balancing adrenaline pumping plots with the exploration of complex relationships and emotions. What sets romantic suspense apart is its ability to intertwine the unpredictability of danger with the intensity of romantic passion. The genre thrives on creating situations where characters are forced to confront their deepest fears and desires, often leading to revelations about themselves and each other. It's a dance between vulnerability and strength, love and survival. A classic example is Nora Roberts' The Witness, which expertly blends a gripping tale of crime and identity with an engaging love story. Roberts' skillful storytelling and character development make this novel a standout, with its intricate plot and palpable chemistry between protagonists providing a satisfying read for fans of the genre. Another essential read is Cry No More by Linda Howard. This book mixes emotional depth with a gripping mystery. Howard's protagonist embarks on a quest to uncover dark secrets while dealing with personal loss and newfound romance. The intersection of suspense and heartfelt emotion makes it a compelling choice for readers seeking both thrills and heartfelt moments. For fans of psychological suspense, The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo by Stieg Larsson offers an intricate narrative that combines mystery, danger, and unexpected romantic tension. Larsson's tale of investigative journalism and dark secrets is enhanced by the complex relationship between the protagonists, offering a unique take on romantic suspense. Romantic suspense is ideal for readers who enjoy intense, fast-paced narratives that delve into the complexities of human relationships. Those who appreciate the blend of danger and attraction will find immense satisfaction in the genre's ability to keep them on the edge of their seats while investing deeply in the characters' journeys. Common themes in romantic suspense include trust and betrayal, the fight for survival, and the transformative power of love. The genre often employs tropes such as the reluctant alliance between protagonists, secret identities, and the ticking clock scenario to heighten suspense and emotional stakes. When comparing romantic suspense to similar genres, one might consider thriller novels, which focus primarily on plot-driven suspense without the romantic element. Conversely, contemporary romance centers on relationships and emotional growth, often without the external danger that propels romantic suspense narratives. For newcomers to romantic suspense, begin with Nora Roberts' The Witness for a balanced introduction to the genre's elements of danger and romance. Follow with Linda Howard's Cry No More to experience deeper emotional exploration paired with suspenseful twists. Finally, explore The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo by Stieg Larsson for a more complex narrative that integrates psychological suspense with romantic tension. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.